Hello people, it's Azlan here. Welcome back to Decremist, a place where we will show you some hidden gems in the crypto world. So following this idea, I have brought you a new ICO project named as asfinance.com. So let's get started. So the first interface looks quite doggy to me. It says Australian Safe Shepherd token S for everyone. Buy on PancakeSwap V1. Yeah, so let me tell you what Australian Safe Shepherd Finance is. Australian Safe Shepherd is a community meme token forked from infamous SafeMoon. The token is completely community driven and was fair launch. Every trade continues toward automatically generating liquidity locked inside of PancakeSwap's LP. LP holder earn passive rewards through static reflection as they watch their balance of AS indefinitely grow. What that AS do? Community driven. Australian Safe Shepherd is a community driven and a fair launch token. Automatic LP. Every trade contributes toward automatically generating liquidity locked inside PancakeSwap. RFI static rewards. Holder earn passive rewards through static reflection while watching their balance of AS grow indefinitely. So if you hold the AS token, you will get rewards of RFI. So 95k holders, an achievement they accomplish in only 22 days. Their community is relentless and cannot be stopped. Yeah. So Caleb Presley talking about AS in his podcast.
Really, the only things that matter are the letters in the name of the coin. Do they make you? Are the letters in the name of the coin? Do they make you laugh, or do they make you feel some type of emotion? Let me give you an example. ASS coin, ASS coin, stands for something like Australian Safe Shepherd. Doesn't matter. It's ASS coin. How does ASS make you feel? Does ASS move the needle for you? ASS moves the needle for me. Money into ASS. Okay, money.
Yeah, so he's talking about ASS coin, and he's talking about that he has made a money from this token. It's a meme token and etc. He's talked about that, so he thinks it's a solid project. So a lot of people have tweeted here, as you can see. Matt Shea, Caleb Presley, their pack leader and CryptoLib. So CryptoLib also had posted on Twitter of them. So how to buy ASS token? I will show you. Download Trust Wallet for yourself and connect the wallet and have some major currency like BNB, ETH, BTC, etc. And go to PancakeSwap and you can swap it for yourself. That was up for the website. Let's have a look at their CoinMarketCap. On CoinMarketCap, they are ranked as 2,513. It's a token and its price is super low, like 0. A lot of 0 and 3 and 285.3% gains. So the fully diluted market cap is 280 million. The last 24-hour trading volume is 124 million, and it has a gain percentage of 2,598%. The max supply is 10 quadrillion. A lot of token there. You can buy it for yourself because there are a lot of token in market, and earn a lot from it because it's the biggest gainer now. And so it's on number 3 on CoinMarketCap, biggest gainer on the date of May 12th, and it has a lot of gain percentage. So if you want to invest in it, you can, because to me it looks a solid project. It's an all-time chart now. So its price was super low, like it's very static. People invested here. The price goes to this point. 10 got out of the chart, and you can have a better view at 1-day chart. It's the last 24-hour chart, and you can see the pump period here. It's again going to dip. So if you want to invest in it, you can, because it's the best opportunity. A lot of coins out there in the market. You can buy. You can swap it on PancakeSwap for yourself. Let's see how many volume. Yeah, so 123 million volume has been generated from PancakeSwap with a pair of ASS paired to WBNB. So yeah, so on PooCoin it is the last 24-hour volume. It was in dip period. After that they have a little pump. So at first it was on pump, and then it have a dip period, a little bit of pump, static period here of dip. Then it had pumped a lot, and on 10th May it reached it have a pump period. After that on 11th May it have a dip period, but it's still the biggest gainer on number 3 on CoinMarketCap. So let's have a look at the scan reports of BSC scan, with a transfer of 368,000 have been made on 140,000 addresses. Let me show you transfer 20 second, 20 second, 20 second. A lot, it's just been recent because people are taking interest in it. A lot of coin out there in the market. Price is super low. People are buying it. So the price will go up and it will blast the chart off. So it's the best opportunity for you to invest in this project. So on PancakeSwap, as you can see, 6% are on liquidity, and the other the other contact addresses got 432% of these coins. So there are very minimum chances of rug pull. As you can see, 6% on liquidity, and other don't have that much coin there, because if they have very low percentage of the coins. If he sell it, it doesn't affect the market. The price won't go too low. So that was up for analytics. Let's have a look at their social media. As you people would know, social media shows that how active a project is, and what events or airdrops are they organizing in future or in current time. Starting with their Twitter. Their Twitter is named as Finance. Their tweets are numbered in 596. They have more than 27,000 followers. Their last post was, they retweeted last post on 4 hours ago, where someone is where Jason A. Williams, Parabolic Guy, Emergent PSA, AS token. He's talking about AS token that and its benefits. And Saleh Parsley retweeted that I will never sell my AS token, because he know that if he hold, he will get the static rewards from that. They're retweeting people's posts. They love people. They admire the love of community they own, and yeah. So they got a family of more than 46,000 members on their Telegram. If you want to join it, you can. You can discuss the technical details with admins, and they will answer you like market cap, live price, and charts ups and down. They will know. You can clear your doubts there. So that was up for the social media. It shows that they are very active there. They also have a Discord. If you want to join it, you can. And I will leave the website link of sfinance.com in the description box, where you can check it out for yourself and invest in it and do some research, anything you want. So yeah, if you like the video, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to Decremis, where I would show you some more hidden gems in the crypto world. If you want to support us, I will leave the Binance Smart Chain wallet link in the description box, where you can send us your token or BUSD to support us. Thank you.